Catherine Bernardo update. Yung congrats kay Catherine. Yung bago niyang endorsement ng Cream Silk. At cover din si Catherine ng Cosmopolitan at Preview PH. Yun, no? Ang ganda ni Catherine, no? Solid. Ay, mula ng blessing si Catherine. Ayan, Pretty and Pink. Catherine. Ayan, Queen. Ayan, Catherine, syempre. Saka kasama rin ni Catherine, dyan, si Nadine Lutre. Ang Cat din. Ayan, so, yun ang Queen in one frame. Ayan, sama ang dalawang queens. Ito pa yung question kay Catherine, sabi, what she's most proud of become? Sabi ni Catherine, I confident that I did lose myself along the way. Yes, he portrayed different roles. Nakagawa ko na ibang movie at ito yung lahat ng pinangarap ko. But the cut that I was and still it's there. I was able to keep my values. I did let the fame or attention I was getting consume me. Ito pa, sabi what she admires about Nadine, sabi ni Catherine, it was my first time working with Nadine on the project, but I seen her grow from afar. She just very inspiring, I think, and there's something powerful about a woman who is unapologetically herself. She's very authentic, you know. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Shorty Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.